Welcome to Food Fanatix. Wash and soak 2 cups of chana dal for 2 hours. Add the dal into 2 kg mutton boneless. Add 2 tablespoons garlic, 2 tablespoons ginger and mix. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt, add 12 green chilies, 10 whole red chilies. Cover and let it cook until the meat is tender. Lightly mash the meat against the surface of the pan. Once the meat is mashed, add 4 chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons crushed chilies, and 1 egg. Mix well. Oil a plate and apply oil on your hands. Shallow fry on medium heat until brown.